بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه نستعين. الفيديو ده بيتكلم على syllabus of secondary physics unit 2 chapter 4 جزء منه principle of working of barometer and manometer. principle of working of barometer and manometer يعني the scientific idea upon which barometer and manometer its working is based on points inside the same liquid at rest at same level will have same pressure. يبقى scientific idea upon which the barometer and barometer are based is points inside the same liquid at rest at same level will have same pressure. Application of pressure. Application of pressure. Number 1, measuring blood pressure. Application of pressure or application on pressure, measuring blood pressure. For blood pressure, there are two values. For blood pressure, there are two values. Number A, systolic pressure of maximum value 120 torr or millimeter mercury at moment of heart contraction. أول واحد systolic pressure of maximum value 120 torr or 120 millimeter mercury at moment of heart contraction. Diastolic pressure of maximum value. Diastolic pressure of maximum value 80 torr or 80 millimeter mercury at the moment of heart relaxation. The second application is filling car tires. Car tires are filled with air under high pressure, so area of contact with the road will be small, which decreases friction and prevent heating of tires. Car tires are filled with air under high pressure, so area of contact with the road will be small, which decreases friction and prevent heating of tires. Pascal principle. Pressure applied on incompressible liquid. يبقى في pressure applied on incompressible liquid in closed container is transmitted undiminished to every portion of the liquid and walls of the container. يبقى الباسكال principle بيقول pressure applied on incompressible liquid in closed container is transmitted undiminished to every portion of the liquid and walls of the container. Pascal principle is not applied on gases due to its compressibility. Pascal principle is not applied on gases due to its compressibility. Some applied pressure is consumed to change volume of the gas. Hydraulic press. It is an application of Pascal principle. Structure: U-shaped tube of different cross-sectional area. U-shaped tube of different cross-sectional area. One small cross-sectional area and the other large cross-sectional area. Weightless pistons. Weightless pistons. Incompressible liquid contained in the container. Function of hydraulic press: lifting heavy objects, squeezing seeds, dentist chair and car brake. يبقى الفانكشن of hydraulic press: lifting heavy object, squeezing seeds, dentist chair and car brake. In hydraulic press, pressure on a small piston equal pressure on large piston according to Pascal principle. يبقى F small اللي هي البريشر اللي هي الفورس on small piston divided by area of small piston equal F capital force on large piston divided on area of large piston. This is Pascal principle. Work done by small piston equal work done by large piston. The work is force multiplied by displacement. So the work done by small piston is the force applied on a small piston multiplied by displacement of a small piston, and the work done by large piston is the force applied on large piston multiplied by displacement of large piston. Liquid displaced by small piston equal liquid displaced by large piston. Liquid volume of liquid displaced is the area of a small piston multiplied by displacement of a small piston, and the liquid displaced by large piston is the area of large piston multiplied by displacement of large piston. Force on large piston is more than force in a small piston. ليه؟ لأن احنا قلنا ان the force on a small piston divided by area of a small piston equal force on large piston divided by area of a small piston. Since area of large piston more than area of a small piston, therefore force on large piston more than force on small piston. Velocity of a small piston more than velocity of large piston. Velocity of a small piston more than velocity of large piston. Mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage is a ratio. Epsilon equal the ratio between force on large piston to force on small piston equal also the ratio between area of large piston to area of a small piston equal also displacement of a small piston to displacement of large piston. A displacement may be D or S, it is the same. Equal cross-sectional area of large piston square to cross-sectional area of a small piston square. Efficiency of hydraulic press eta always less than 100%. Efficiency of hydraulic press eta always less than 100% due to loss of some work due to friction between pistons and the container. Eta, which is efficiency of hydraulic press, equal force on small piston multiplied by displacement of small piston divided by force on large piston multiplied by displacement of large piston multiplied by 100.